Hello, welcome to the second tutorial in our series. Today I'm going to be teaching you about theme select boxes, their general setup, configuration. I'm also going to be teaching you about setting default themes based on user through their control panel. So let's go ahead and start. First thing you want to do is log into your website. We're logged in. And you can see here I have a slightly modified version of the default themes block. By default, this is only supposed to show 3 themes, but I've got it set to show more because I have more themes to select from. Ordinarily, if you want to edit a block and you do have the front side controls like I do here, you could just edit the block. But let's assume that you do not have those set toggled on. So let's go ahead and back to our administration panel and go to System Blocks. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and teach you about the block navigation. Basically what this does is it shrinks down the blocks list you have to look through. You can display blocks based on what page they're visible on, by the group, and generally webmasters have access to all the groups, but sometimes that may not be, or your block may be unassigned. So generally webmasters. So let's select webmasters, and then we know our block is visible because we were just looking at it, but if it weren't, you could select no. So yes. And then you can scroll right here and you can see the themes block. The themes block displayed in the left column with a weight of 30. It is visible. Let's go ahead and edit it. Again, here you can just decide which column you want it to be in, the block weight. And block weight is generally like this. You have a column, your left column. A block weight of 10 is going to appear above a block with a weight of 20, etc., etc. You can decide whether or not it's visible, which pages it displays on, the name of the block, and here's the important factor, the screenshot image. Now, this selection right here actually decides the formatting of your block. If you do display the theme select image, then you're going to see the thumbnail, and below it, a single column, a single row select box that you would select your theme and then submit your changes. No, it would just display the list of themes, and on click, it would automatically change. So let's go ahead and change it to yes, just so you can see the changes. Submit it. Database is going to be updated successfully. Go around to the front, and you can see that the theme select box is completely different. And the theme thumbnail will change based on the theme that you select, pending that there is, in fact, a thumbnail selected. So, just to show you it in practice, we'll switch to iTheme, and go ahead and click Go. And it won't work, but that's okay. Generally, it does work. I'm not sure why, but there you can see it in action. It does indeed work. So let's go ahead and switch back around to the theme we were using. And that's generally the theme select box. Now, let's say you want to specify which themes are visible in that select box, and moreover, which themes your users can select as their default theme. So you want to go down and you want to hit System, then you want to go to Preferences and General Settings. You scroll down to this, you can see selectable themes, this row right here. Now to select themes as enabled or disabled, you want to hold down Control, and you can toggle on and off which themes are visible, just like that. And you go down and submit your changes again, and then go ahead and go around to the front page of your website. Now, users may want to use a different theme as their default theme, and it's real simple. They just go to their account, and they go ahead and edit their profile, and right down here, default theme, there's a row labeled default theme, and they can decide which theme they want as their default theme. And they would save their changes, and then if you log out, your theme automatically switches when you log back in. Just like that. Well, that's it. That's all there really is to the theme select box. In our next tutorial, I'll teach you how to customize the theme select box through the actual code. I'll teach you how to expand it like I've displayed by default on my dev site. All right. Thank you. Hope you find it useful.